And now, your KY3 Storm Team forecast.
Well, if you notice in Jay Gray's update on Gordon moving ashore, the storm track turns by Little Rock and then comes straight toward Branson and Springfield.
That's
the model, right?
That's exactly what the models are thinking, and the setup of this. A lot of people think, oh, we don't need to worry about hurricane season. We're right in the middle of the country, but here's just one example of why when hurricane season comes around, we really need to be on high alert, because we could be talking about lots of rainfall heading our way, especially since there's two systems we're watching right now.
And since we've had lots of rainfall.
Exactly, since we've recently had that rainfall. It'll be interesting to see what effect this has on our drought monitor once it comes out. The good news is that we still could use some rainfall in the Ozarks. We just are not hoping to get it all at once. Right now, the system that you're looking at, you'll notice the camera's pointed right over toward the Gulf. So what you're looking at, that spiral in the clouds, here's what's left of what was Tropical Storm Gordon, now Tropical Depression Gordon. You can pick it out pretty easily as it spirals right around Jackson, Mississippi. Here's the track that we're talking about. As it continues to lose intensity, as it's made landfall now, here's the path that we're talking about, right around Little Rock, Arkansas. This is what we're expecting as Thursday night approaches. It'll be right over the area. This is where we're expecting potentially the greatest intensity. You want to follow this cone, though, because it really gives the range for where we could be talking about some of the heavy rainfall and all of that tropical moisture pushing its way into right here in the Ozarks. So by the time Friday morning gets here, first thing Friday morning, northwest Arkansas, that's going to be where we're expecting the rain to just be picking up. And right here over the Springfield area as we head toward first thing Saturday morning. So unfortunately, that's going to be right in line as many fall festivals are starting to get going and get set up. We could be talking about the potential for some heavy rainfall at times before it continues to track its way off into parts of Illinois and Indiana. We were talking about two systems, though. You'll notice here's the bigger picture on our satellite and radar. Of course, we have Gordon continuing to push its way into central parts of Mississippi. But as we flip the other direction, so up into parts of northwestern Missouri, we have this whole line of thunderstorms right here. This is a front that's going to continue to push its way into the Ozarks. And even though we haven't seen much lightning with this, we could still be talking about a few pockets of heavy rainfall. As we pause the radar, well, here's what's going on. You have to zoom in really north of 44 and off to the west of 65 to see a few of these little polka dots here or there up by the Osceola area, down by Stockton. While we haven't been seeing reports of lightning, just be keeping a close eye on these as we continue on throughout the rest of the day. Following down 49, down by Anderson and Rogers. Make sure again that you're just keeping a close eye on these clouds. While we will continue to watch for the intensity of this storm, it's going to be today, tomorrow, even into the weekend that we could see some of the strongest showers. And here's how this plays out on Futurecast for us. Remember, today and tomorrow we're watching that front move in across the Ozarks. It's going to give us a few little spots of showers here or there. Overall, not a big washout for us. And we can even see a few pockets of sunshine first thing Thursday morning before here comes that next surge of moisture. It's into the day Thursday and Friday that we're really watching for that push from Gordon. So you'll notice more of these showers are moving in from the south and the southeast. This is where we could be talking about heavy amounts of rainfall at times. But again, keep in mind the model's not impressed for necessarily a widespread downpour. Rainfall amounts, well, again, we'll pause this Friday morning as what's left of Tropical Depression Gordon continues to push its way up into parts of northwestern Arkansas. We could be seeing from that as Saturday and even Sunday rolls around, rainfall amounts topping up between that 2.5 to 4 inch mark. So wouldn't be surprised if a few of you even saw rainfall amounts closer to 5 inches. So again, stay tuned as we head toward the weekend, and we'll continue to fine tune that forecast for you. Overall today, much like yesterday, that southerly breeze making those mid to upper 80s feel a little closer to the low 90s through the afternoon. And once we bring in that rainfall, we're really going to be cooling down those temperatures as well.